Hi guys, today I'm making a easy and delicious Valentine's Day sweet for my sweet. This is a collab hosted by Tiffany from SmalltownSix and joined in by lots of other lovely ladies with great ideas for sweets for your sweet on Valentine's Day. I'll leave the links in the description box to Tiffany's channel and to the playlist so that you can see some more great Valentine's ideas. I'm going to be using this crescent dough sheet that needs to be used up and some raspberry spread, and I have a couple of chocolate chips that need to be used up, and another from this other bag also, and also some strawberries and marshmallows. I'm going to start off by opening this can of ready-made dough. I'm going to unroll it and just get it rolled out a little bit to the size of the parchment paper so it's a little bit thinner. And I'm using this small cookie cutter because I wanted to show you guys the perfectly shaped hearts. And I thought I had a bigger cookie cutter, but I don't. So I'm gonna have to end up improvising and just using this knife that I have on hand, because I actually want to make bigger hearts than the cookie cutter shape. And for me to do this easier, I found that it was better to start with the V shape on the bottom V, and then make the rounded top parts. Now I'm just going to add some of this raspberry spread. And you just want to put a little bit in the middle. You don't want to take it to the edges because that's where you're going to seal it together. And also I found that what I added was too much, not because it was actually too much for me because it was too sweet. For me, at least, with the frosting that I add on top and the filling, it was too sweet. I would do either or add less of this filling. I'm going to use these chocolates. Okay, so use that up already. I'm going to put one with strawberry and a couple of marshmallows. I got a couple more chocolates. There's chocolate and strawberry. There's a raspberry filling and like a s'mores, marshmallow and chocolate. Now I'm just gonna close them up. Okay, I thought I was recording, but here you just want to place the plain dough on top of the dough with the filling and crimp the two edges all the way around with the fork, just like I'm doing here. And that's why you don't want to fill it up too much with filling, because as you can see here, it got a little bit too much and the dough was a little too short and it came out a little bit, but that's okay. Now I just sprayed my air fryer racks with some olive oil spray. You could probably use a parchment paper also if you wanted to. And I set my air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now I'm just making a simple icing with powdered sugar and a splash of milk. After the 10 minutes, my Pop-Tarts are done. They're nice and golden brown, and they're cooked on the top and the bottom. If you have a basket type of air fryer, you might want to flip them over halfway through so that the bottom part could get fried up also. And I'm just going to place them on this napkin so that while I put the icing and the sprinkles, they won't get all over the counter. And now I'm just getting them plated up and ready to enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to check out the playlist down below for more Valentine's ideas. And if you try this recipe, let me know how they came out for you. Thank you so much for watching.